Welcome, business leaders, to ABC Services Managed IT Solutions, where technology meets efficiency. Are you looking to enhance your business's overall efficiency, reduce costs, and elevate customer satisfaction? Look no further. Our managed IT services are tailored just for you. Our dedicated team of experts will be your IT backbone, ensuring your business runs smoothly 24/7. From setting up computers and networks to troubleshooting, data backup, recovery, system updates, and security against cyber threats, we've got you covered. At ABC Service, we understand that every business is unique. That's why our managed computer support team collaborates closely with you to tailor our services to your specific needs. No one-size-fits-all solutions here. Data security is paramount to us. ABC Service ensures your data is backed up and shielded from potential threats. Our proactive measures protect your business from cyber attacks, providing a secure digital environment. Choose the package that suits you best, Managed IT or Managed IT Plus. Our services are cost-effective, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Our commitment to excellence extends to customer service. The ABC Service team works closely with you, ensuring your satisfaction. Focus on what you do best, running your business, while we handle your IT needs. In today's fast-paced business world, technology is key. Let ABC Service be your IT partner, providing peace of mind that professionals are managing your IT needs. Elevate your business with us, where your success meets our expertise.